Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the ANCHEER 2-in-1 folding treadmill, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. This treadmill isn't just about workouts, it's a lifestyle integration. The compact size and no installation design make it a breeze to set up, and its versatility fits into any space, be it under a desk or sofa. What I love most? The flexibility it offers. With speeds from 0.6 to 7.5 miles per hour, it suits various fitness levels. Whether you prefer a leisurely walk, a post-meal jog, or a brisk power walk, this treadmill has got you covered. Plus, the 5-layer non-slip running belt ensures comfort and safety while minimizing impact on your joints. And the cherry on top? ANCHEER's commitment to customer satisfaction. With a 12-month warranty and excellent after-sales service, they've got your back. Overall, if you're looking to seamlessly incorporate fitness into your daily routine without compromising space or productivity, the ANCHEER 2-in-1 folding treadmill is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.